Okay, students. Now question number 7, and it is find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from uh, into bracket 2 minus 5 and into bracket minus 2 9. Okay, so here whichever point on x-axis, okay, it is equidistance from these 2 points. Okay, so now here the point is on x-axis. Okay, so we know when I started this chapter, when any point on x-axis, then y coordinate is become 0, and if suppose a point is on y-axis, then x coordinate is become 0. Okay, so answer number 7 now you see here. So here answer number 7. Okay, so as we know, if any point, okay, on x-axis, then its y coordinate is 0. Okay, is 0. Here I draw this graph. Okay, it is x-axis and y-axis. Here whichever point on x-axis, okay, this point is equidistant from the whichever given points. Okay, so we decide here, okay, let the required point is p into bracket x0. But here 0 why we write, because y coordinate is 0 is there is. Okay, and we find x value because the point is on x axis, so there is x value is there, y is become 0 for this point. Okay, okay, and let the points whichever given, it is a into bracket 2 minus 5 and b into bracket minus 2 9. Okay, so the distance between them, so here, hello, after then we find the distance, hello, whichever given point on x axis, because hello it is equidistance. Okay, so we find here pa after then hello pb, because here this point is hello is equidistance from the given to this point, so half distance is pa and then another half distance, that is pb. Okay, so it means here pa is equal to, if we write this as per the formula, okay, here p and a, so here x0, here 2 minus 5. Okay, so as per we write this formula, x minus 2 raised to square plus 0 minus into bracket minus 5 raised to square, so we get here square. Okay, we open this square, x minus 2 raised to square, then we write here x minus x square minus 4x plus 4 plus here 0 minus plus and 0 plus 5 means 5 raised to square 25. Okay, so we get this equation, it is 29. As like now we find pb, so here pb is equal to, hello, again we take p and b, it means p and b. Okay, so as we write, hello, x minus into bracket minus 2 raised to square plus 0 minus 9 raised to square. Okay, so if we open this bracket, so x plus 2 raised to square and plus minus 9 square, so x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 81, then we get this x square plus 4x 85 is equal to is equation number 2, where here hello this both are is become equal because these both points, okay, here a and b, from this point, okay, from this point whichever on x axis point is equidistant, so pa is equal to pb. Okay, so now hello whichever equation 1 and 2 is also become equal, so hello pa is equal to pb. Okay, because a and b are equidistant from p, so x square minus 4x plus 29 in under root is equal to under root x square plus 4x plus 85, so under root is remove both side and x square also after then remove, so there is remain only minus 4x, this 4x we bring this side. Okay, there is remain minus 4x plus 29 plus 4x 85, then we bring this minus 4x this side, so minus 4x and this minus 4x. Okay, it is here, and 29 we send this side. Okay, so 85, 29 become minus. Okay, when it go this side. Okay, so here minus 8x is equal to 56. So x is equal to 56 upon minus 8. So x we get here minus 7. So our required point is p into bracket minus 7 0. X value we get here. Okay, so this is answer number 7. Now question number 8. Find the value of y, okay, for which the distance between the points p into bracket 2 minus 3 and q 10y is 10 units. Okay, so here we find the y coordinate, okay, this one of q point, and here the distance is given, okay, between pq is 10 units. Then we find the then we find this y value if we have distance. Okay, so now answer number 8. Okay, so the given the given points, now you see here answer number 8, the given points are p into bracket 2 minus 3 and q into bracket 10y. Okay, and distance between them, that is pq is equal to 10. So as per formula, pq is equal to, okay, we write in under root 10 minus 2. Okay, so here 10 minus 2 also we can take, 2 minus 10 या 10 minus 2, like you can take any one x1 y1 and x2 y2. Suppose you take x1 y1 या x2 y2, because distance is between them same. Okay, so you decide any one x1 y1 and x2 y2. So as per our easily, okay, we decide this x1 x2 minus x1, it means 10 x1, it is y1, and this is x2 y2. Okay, so 10 minus 2 raised to square plus y minus into bracket minus 3 raised to square. So here 8 square plus, okay, into bracket minus minus plus, so y plus 3 raised to square, here I write directly y square plus 6y plus 9. After then we give simplification, 64 plus y square plus 6y plus 9. So we get this equation, and here this side pq is equal to 10 is given distance. So now I change the side of this. Okay, so this I write this side, like under root y square plus 6y plus 73 is equal to 10, and now I remove this square root, so I have to do this side square. So y square plus 6y plus 73 is equal to 100. 10 square is equal to 10 square become here 100. So after then we bring this 100 this side. So y square plus 6y minus 27 is equal to 0. Here this is perfect square equation. So we get the two factors of 27 and we get middle term. To mine 27 factors of 27, that is 9 3 ja. Okay, and 9 minus 3 6. So as like we write here these two factor for this middle term. After then we take out common from this first two term and last two term. So y minus y common, so y minus 3 inside, and here 9 common, so again y minus 3. So we get here y minus 3 is equal to 0 and y plus 9 is equal to 0. So we get here y value is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 9. So this is our required. Yeah, the value of y is 3 or minus 9. So this is the answer number 8. Okay.